Where's the bomb? Jacob!
Bomb carrier now! Bomb carrier, get in there! Let's pass! Press the timer!
Where's the bomb?
Bomb's placed!
Guys, get out of there! Just try and stop balloons up, you will die!
I'd rather die and make sure the bomb goes off. Guys, bug off, so I'll defend the bomb. Go.
I'm staying with it.
Defend the bomb perimeter!
That's it. Move out now!
Don't fire!
Get right!
Yes, because we're bringing the bomb back and we keep doing it. Yeah, just keep there. Have we got a medic? Guy down there. 12 from the marshal. Well, I'd say about 10. 10 o'clock from the marshal. 9 o'clock.
2-minute bleed out now anyway. Oh, didn't know that.
Fiona, suppress. Straight ahead. You ready? Go, 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 go. Anybody got a grenade?
No.
Steve, grenade? That's not Steve, that's not Steve. That's Jacob.
Should we run before the bomb goes off?
Huh?
Should we leg it before the bomb goes off?
Well, how long's left?
Get out.
How long's left?
How long's left?
You got a grenade? Oh no, grenade.
Get out of there! Get the fort! Out the fort! Go back!
Watch out, there's a guy up on the hill. We're pushing up, I think.
Turn it, too slow.
Whoa. Sorry. Hit!